Hey guys, in this video I wanted to show you the slipcover I bought for my IKEA Friheten sofa bed. I've had the sofa for about 6 years now and it's starting to look a bit worn out from the constant use. The original imitation leather finish on the sofa was starting to peel and flake off. We went hunting for a new sofa but discovered there wasn't really anything we like more than the Friheten. For smaller places like an apartment or condo, it's got a lot of storage and it converts into a bed. So the most logical thing was to give it a makeover with a slipcover. Fortunately, since IKEA is so popular, there are many sellers on Etsy who makes these slipcovers for the various sofas that they sell. So this is the custom-made replacement slipcover for the 3-seat version of the Friheten. You can customize the cover by choosing your own fabric, so it does come with options like using a polyester fabric, a velvet fabric, or fake leather. I personally prefer the polyester fabric, which is what you see in this video. You can obviously choose different colors. There's many colors to choose from, and I chose this light gray because it matches well with some of my other furniture. I have tablecloths and chairs with this color as well. I ordered it on Etsy and it came in about a month. I think they're made to order, so considering it also came from the other part of the world, that's not too long. So it comes in 7 pieces that make up the slipcover. There are 3 for the cushions, 1 for the back, 2 for the armrests, and a large piece for the main seat area. So for the cushions, we're just going to put the new cover right over it. You don't have to remove the original cover that's on these cushions, even though you can. I think it gives it a little bit more rigidity to it as well. So it's just a matter of putting it in and then zipping it up. Now we're going to do the main seating area, and this is the largest piece that it comes with, so it's just a matter of draping it over and then using the Velcro to fasten it on. With the main area done, we can now move on to the back. So this is the cover for the back portion of the sofa. Like everything else, you just slip it on. Luckily, you don't have to take apart the sofa or anything. You just slip it on and then just, fasten it with the Velcro. Finally, we're going to do the armrests, and again, it's just 2 pieces, one for the left and right, and all you have to do is slip it on, and then there are some Velcros to hold it in place. So here we are putting in the last piece, which is the left armrest. With all the covers on, this is what it looks like. So we're gonna convert it back to a sofa, and this is basically how it looks. As you can see, it's wrinkled, but we're gonna remove that by using an iron. We're gonna use an iron, and I would recommend trying it at the lowest setting first, and then slowly, turning up the heat and start ironing the sofa, and then you should be able to get most of the wrinkles out. And as you sit on it, over time, the wrinkles and creases will start to disappear, but when you initially put it on, it does look a little bit wrinkled. After a bit of ironing, you can see it looks a little better, but over time, the wrinkles should disappear, and this is the finished product. I really like the look of the slipcover. It brings new life to an old sofa. When I originally bought the Friheten, you were limited to only a handful of colors. But with the slipcover, your possibilities of color choices are almost unlimited. Because the slipcover is removable, if it does get dirty, you can just throw it in the laundry machine and give it a wash. Or if you change your mind a year from now, you can buy another slipcover in a different color and maybe have two or three where you change it up, one for each season. So the possibilities are endless with slipcovers, and most importantly, you get to extend the life of your sofa for many more years instead of wasting money and resources by buying a new one. Anyways, that's it for this video. Have a nice day, and I will see you next time.